Silk Press Essentials. These are the products that I need to use for my silk press for it to be so-calicious like this, okay? Product number 1, I am a stickler for shampoo, and I need to use a clarifying shampoo because I use a lot of products in my hair, especially when it comes down to like week 2 of my silk press when I'm piling up the edge controls, the gels and stuff like that. This clarifying shampoo is so good. This is the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 2. This stuff is amazing, and it's only, I think, $15. This really clarifies my hair. I use this about twice to really get my hair really clean. If your hair is not clean when you do a silk press, your silk press will not be bouncy and flowy and all the things. Number 2, I always have to go in with a hydrating shampoo. This one is my favorite right now. This is the Innersense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath Shampoo. This stuff is really good and super hydrating. If my hair is not hydrated, it will instantly revert. Have you ever been doing your silk press and your hair started reverting as you're pressing it out? That means your hair is dehydrated, and using a hydrating shampoo will help you with that reverting. Clarifying and hydrating starts in the shampooing process for me. So I clarify and then I go in with a hydrating shampoo. Sometimes I mix in damage control shampoos if I'm feeling funky. Clarifying and hydrating shampoos are a must for me, okay? I also love this one. This is the Joico Hydrating Shampoo. This you can find at Marshall's. I think it runs about $20–$25, but the bottle is a lot bigger than this one. It lasts me a really long time and it shampoos my hair perfectly. Not stripping it, but adding moisture and hydration and all the things. If you haven't tried Joico in your natural hair care routine in general, their products are really good, and the blue one is my favorite line because it's super hydrating. I love the shampoo and the conditioner. Try this if you can't get your hands on this. This one is a smaller bottle than this one, but they're both really, really good. I've been obsessed with this one lately though. When it comes down to conditioners, I have been loving the Aussie 3-Minute Moist. This is an oldie but a goodie. It runs about $6. It's so good at hydrating my hair, detangling, and then I go in with a deep conditioner. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Hair Mask. This stuff is $40, but it's really, 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 really good at hydrating my hair. This deep conditioner is so good. I put so much heat to my hair like every 2 weeks to the point that my hair should be really heat damaged, but this is how my hair looks right now. It's very curly still, but I am a straight natural, and I feel like it's thanks to this product right here. I am a stickler for deep conditioning. I also steam with my deep conditioner as well. So I leave this on for 30 minutes. I steam for about 15 minutes and I just let it sit. I don't leave this on overnight because if you're using a repair mask, you don't want to leave it on too long. But yeah, this stuff is really, really good. It's $40, but it's well spent 40 bucks, okay? If you do have fine hair or if you're not type 4, I don't know how this would work on you, but on my type 4 hair, she's really good, okay? Hydrating, all the things, the slip, everything. And my curls are always popping after I use this. So generally when I go in and do my silk presses, I always use a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in for me is essential because my hair can get dry really fast. And when you're leaving a silk press in for 2 weeks, you're not hydrating your hair, right? Because we're not adding any water to a silk press because then our hair will revert, right? So I go in with about 10 pumps of the MIZANI Miracle Milk after deep conditioning. This really helps a lot with heat protection. This is a heat protectant and a leave-in conditioner, so it gives you that moisture and it protects your hair from heat. So this is step 1 for me for protecting my hair from heat. And I feel like when your hair is hydrated, your hair is less prone to breakage. That's actually a fact, right? So hydrating and protecting at the same time. This stuff is great. I cannot use that much of this because my hair will be very weighed down. You want your silk press to be, you know, flowy and bouncy, so don't use too much of this. I use about 10 pumps of this in my hand and I apply it back to front. I generally apply any cream products or leave-ins, especially when I'm pressing my hair out, back to front because the back of my head can take a lot more product than the front, and the front tends to get very heavy quickly. So I always apply this to my hand. I don't spray it directly on my hair because the sprayer is a little weird. I think it's weird only because this is a cream product, but I apply it on my hands and then apply it to the rest of my head. But yeah, this stuff is great, very moisturizing, not super heavy if you don't apply too much. 10 pumps is good for me. If you have fine hair, I would use about 3 pumps. You don't need that much at all. So I'm a straight natural, meaning that I am a natural hair girl that always wears her hair straight. but I don't want my curls to be damaged, okay? I know when it comes down to the straight natural talk, most of the time, straight natural girlies kind of know what's up. Like, we know we're gonna get a little bit of heat damage, but I don't want super, super stringy ends. I don't want my hair to be completely damaged because one day I might just want to wear my curls, okay? I don't want them to be completely gone. I was saying that to say that I use a lot of heat protectants, okay? This may sound like a lot of products, but to me, it's well worth it to protect my curls and keep my hair hydrated as I'm wearing my silk press because I am strictly a straight natural. I like to go in with that cream first, that MIZANI first, and then I go in with a liquid heat protectant. These two are my favorites. If I don't have this one, I will use this one and, you know, vice versa. This is the Garnier Flat Iron Protector. This is the OG one that I've been using for so long. This one is too. This is the TRESemme Protecting Heat Spray. These are both really good liquid water-based heat protectant. I use this after my creams and it works so well. You can apply so much of this even on fine hair and it not be heavy. I don't know if I was clear, but I apply this after I wash, after I deep condition. And I apply this as well after I deep condition. So all of these products I'm applying when my hair is wet. So I just spray one of these until my hair is fully saturated. And then I go in with a serum. So while my hair is wet, I go in with a little bit of a serum before blow drying. So I love BioSilk. This is one of my favorites. This I got for 20 bucks at Marshall's so long ago.
Something weird happened with my audio right here, but what I was saying is that this is the OG of the OGs of the silk product. This really helps my hair shine and bounce without like weighing it down. Sometimes instead of the BioSilk, I'll go in with one of my Amika serums. I like both of these. These help protect against heat and they help your hair to shine, but I only use a very small amount.
So sometimes when I'm done with my silk press, I feel like my silk press is not silky enough and it doesn't give me that shine and luster that I want, okay? I use this. This is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. This stuff is so good. If you haven't tried this and you are a straight natural, please do. I usually use it afterwards. So if my hair is not giving me that shine or that bounce, actually let me put some on right now. I will use this, and this stuff looks very like olive oily and very heavy, right? But I promise you it's not. This will last you a long time. I think it's about $30, but it's so good. I'm gonna put some on my hair right now. I literally just put it on my hands. I think technically this is like a dry oil. If it's not, it feels like it, but I just apply some to my hair and it's not heavy at all, but it just gives you that shine. Like, look, without it being too heavy. This is literally the perfect like after oil. You can also use this in your routine as well. I generally don't because I like using serums instead of something like this, but this is so good for just like the after sheen effect. Perfect, well worth the money, okay? So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not gonna make these videos too long because I'm trying to be consistent on this app now. I really am trying. I love y'all for still watching my videos and supporting me, and I will see you in the next video.